How to recover deleted projects in NanoBanana.ai. First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to the NanoBanana.ai website. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your project. Once logged in, click on Start Editing from the home page and navigate to the History section on the left sidebar below the AI tools. Here you can view all the projects you have created so far. It's very important to understand that once a project is deleted in NanoBanana.ai, it cannot be recovered. There is no undo or restore option available, so you should be absolutely certain before deleting any project. Always double check your files and consider saving a backup or archiving projects you may want to keep for future use. By taking precautions and thinking carefully before deleting, you can prevent accidental loss of your important AI creations and maintain a clean, organized workspace. Remember, once deleted, a project is gone permanently, so it's better to be cautious. Now you know how to safely manage your projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.